Here's the Amazfit Band 7. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. So very simple here. So first thing you got to do is just go directly to your settings. So just go to your clock face and then you can slide down and then look for the gear icon, the settings icon. If it's not here on this first page, swipe over to the left and you can see my gear icon or settings icon right there. So let's tap on that. And then from here we're going to scroll up all the way to the very bottom where it says system. Tap on system and then we're going to scroll up all the way down to the very bottom again where it says factory reset. Tap on factory reset. Note, factory reset will clear all the data and you will need to pair it again before it can be used. Sure to continue. I will continue to perform the factory reset. Tap on that check mark right there. And this is super fast. It just vibrated. Now it's booting back up. Now hold on one second, I got to show you something if you want to pair it back to the same phone, okay? So let's let this boot back up. And voila, we just factory reset it. Now, if you guys wanted to go ahead and pair it back to the same phone, what you have to do is go to your Zep app. So let me go to my Zep app here. Now you can see under my devices, I had it paired and then I did a factory reset. So now it's going to be stuck on band 7. It's going to continue to stay here on connecting, okay? So what you want to do is just, if you want to reconnect it or pair it back to the same phone, just tap on that band 7 and scroll all the way down and just tap on unpair down here. So we're going to go ahead and unpair right there. And now it's going to go ahead and unpair. All right, now if you want to pair it back or set it up back to the phone, I'm going to tap on English, the language that I want, and then you get a QR code here. And now, as long as you're tapped under profile down there, under my, you see my devices on the right hand side says add, and tap on add. Oops, let me go back. Go back to profile. So up here, tap on add, and then tap on band. Don't tap on watch. This is a band, okay? So tap on the band. And the first one here says if you have a QR code on your band or tracker. So I'm going to tap on that and then I'll go ahead and repair it back just like that and give that 1 second. Oh, it just vibrated there and we get a accept binding request. I'm going to tap on the check mark there and it says pairing down here as well. It says successfully done. And these up here you can uncheck or check. I mean, I like to have mine, these two are synced, but mine's in Chinese right now. But anyway, I'm just going to change the language. Actually, I'll show you guys how to change the language, okay? In case you get, it goes back to Chinese. So now I just go ahead and swipe over and then voila, get started. And I'm done, okay? So now I'm done. The only thing is, okay, mine went back to English here, but if you guys are stuck, I had this problem before. If your watch or your band or tracker is still stuck in Chinese, just go back to your Zep app and just make sure, make sure profile down here is selected, profile, and then we're going to tap on the band 7 up here, and then from here, you want to go to band settings, right there, band settings, so we'll tap on that. And then language there, okay? So you just want to go ahead and bring it up to English, and then remember, you got to click OK up here, okay? And then once you do that, your band or tracker will be in English, okay? Good luck, guys.